Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at an item that Bandletic did send me and did compensate me to make this review on. This is a very interesting watch band. It's compatible with the Apple Ultra watch, which I will show you in a few seconds. I have an Apple Watch Ultra. It's a soft nylon, it's a sport loop and hook with a magnetic, let's call it Fidlock. A V buckle, interesting design, how it snaps together with the magnetic and a buckle. Very, very cool, very easy on and off. That's what I like about it, and super duper strong. Up to 60 pounds this thing holds. This is a really durable watch band. I love all their bands. I do a ton of reviews with them, and I absolutely really love the quality of the bands. It's just some quick cutaway shots. You can see how it looks. I'm going to do a total unboxing and review. Don't forget to like, share, and follow this channel for more awesome videos like this. Okay, guys, so here is the Bandletic band. This is how it comes in a box, just like you see here. Very easy. Get a pull tab, easy open and close. As you can see here, they have different colors. They're black, and I have an orange one they did send me, but this is the black model. This is what it looks like. Packages like that, and this is actually what the band is. I took out the band out of the box, so quick unboxing. I don't want to bore you with that. So this is the band, like I said before in the beginning of the video. Super soft nylon, and this is that technology I was telling you about. This buckle. Check this out. You snap it open like this here, and you can see how it just snaps right off. I want you to see that. See this V technology with magnets, which is very interesting, very cool. So it just snaps right in automatically. I find that fascinating. I'm gonna show you that again. It's got the stainless steel clip right here, which is nice. That comes right off. So once you put it on your wrist, so basically how it's designed is once you have it set up on, you don't have to take this Velcro on and off. You adjust it once and you're good to go. Super smart. I absolutely love that. I love all their qualities of their bands. You can see here they always have this extra piece that comes over. That way it won't hit your hand, which is really important for the wrist, so that doesn't irritate you. That covers that up. I love that. And just overall look of the band itself. I'm going to put it on my watch in a second. Just want you to see what it looks like. The band. I love this orange color. Very, really cool. And everything is all branded, of course, with Bandletic, which I really love that quite a bit. Everything's all metal construction. You can see here. So designed to fit right into the watch. But again, this clip here, I'm fascinated by this. I was looking at this and looking at it and saying, what an intelligent thing this is. It really is. You just pick it up and boom, it comes right off. And when you put it on, it has a magnet. So it kind of snaps and clicks right in. Look at that. Like I said, I have an Ultra watch right here. And let's see how this works. So I'm just going to slide it on. Right? The first thing you do, slide it on, right? Get it on. That is on. So now you want to do is you want to adjust it onto your wrist. So let's do that. The Ultra Watch 2, Ultra Watch 1, all the watches that it'll fit. And I'd have to tell you, this is really very, very comfortable. I'm not a huge fan of this material, but I have to tell you, it is so soft on your skin, you can't even tell. So as you can see here, it's got the magnetic hook quick release here, which is really nice. I like that. So if you want a quick release, it comes right off. Just pull this hook right up and it snaps right off. Super easy. Let me just show you that. Just like that. And that's how it comes off. And then put it back on. You just snap it right back on and you put it on your wrist. So that's how it's made. That's how it works. And once you have it, you just got to figure out how to, it took me a few minutes to really just get used to actually applying this on. But once you get used to it, snap it right on just like that. Takes a little practice to get used to it, but once you get used to that whole mechanical process there, it should be no problem. I like the way it feels. I like the way it looks. And I like that quick release. So when you go to bed at night, you're going to put your watch away, just pick it up, snap it up, boom, take it right off, put on your charger when you go to bed, and you're good to go. So that's what I have. Appreciate them. Thanks so much for sending it to me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow this channel for all kinds of cool video. Again, Bandletic, this is what it looks like. This is the back of it. Super soft nylon, made very, very well. And I love this little engineering idea. What a cool idea this is. Love this. Snaps in and you're good to go. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. And I'll see you at the next video.